Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. Any screen here, you've got map there. If you just click on map, if you just want to see where you're going, then that's it. We can zoom in there. That zooms in like so. Or navigation. Navigation on the right hand side, click on nav, and you've got points of interest, address junction, postal code. We want postal code. Postal code, all postal codes. There we go, click on that. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. So that's it all. PR5 4EA, you've got all streets, all house numbers, all junctions. I just want anywhere. All streets. List. Blackburn Road. Yes, that's what I want. Set. Home, back, adjust and start. We want start.
Please proceed to the indicated route.
That's it. So you've got to select the road, otherwise it won't allow you to proceed. But that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.